my hair is looking like now. It's just in a bun, but you guys can see I have some color on the ends of my hair. I definitely need to switch it up a little bit. I'm about to dye my hair back black, and I'm gonna do crochet braids, but I wanted you guys to see the before, and then I'll sit down with you guys when I'm ready to actually start the crocheting process. Swinging around my edges, so make sure you do that. I didn't get it all the way down here, but I did go like as far as here. So I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like. So I forgot to show you guys the hair I'll be using is this Venus silky braid loop. I don't know, expert. It's 24 inches, and this is the first time that I'm going to be dealing with any crochet of any type. So let's just see where this goes, okay? So I just put all my hair up in a bun. I need another pack so I can finish this braid that's right here. And then this is the leave out that I just flat ironed. So right now I pretty much have to wait. You guys can see the crochets. I didn't do the invisible crochet method. I just did the regular crochet method. And then I pulled all this hair up into a bun. I don't know how I managed to do that because this is a lot of hair. I'm going to be thinning it out, doing this hair for a photo shoot that I'm going to be doing. So that's why I'm doing it so big, so long, so dramatic. Hello. So this is the leave out that I just flat ironed. And I did the leave out on purpose because I do want to hide this. So I'm just going to turn around so you guys can see the back. It looks real jacked up, but I got the leave out here to help me with that. So yeah, I gotta find out how to get this dye off my forehead. I'll check back with you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna be doing the styling. I'm gonna go lay my edges right now though, and then I'm gonna do the styling. I'm not going to leave this hair straight. What I'm gonna do is braid it and do the hot water method with it so I can get some real pretty waves in this hair. So I think the waves in the hair with it being this thick will be really pretty. So I'm just gonna check back with you guys tomorrow. Okay, so baby girl is sleeping, so I have to whisper, but I'm not even gonna lie, it's been about 4 days later since I started doing these crochet braids in my hair. But I didn't just want to leave you guys hanging. I wanted to try to finish up this video, so don't really care what the quality looks like as long as y'all get the point. So I started braiding my hair. Well, I actually got done braiding my hair. It's all braided because what I'm about to do is go and I got some hot water boiling downstairs, and I'm about to dip these in hot water so I can get a pretty little wave. And like I said, I do have some leave out at the top. So when I'm done dipping my hair, I'm just gonna probably run the blow dryer through it so it can dry a little bit faster, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup and all that stuff before I let these down, and I'll come back when I'm done with that. So I put the hot water in here and I just dip my braids in there, and that's what the water looks like. Alright guys, so I went ahead and did my makeup. I just blow dried out these braids, and I'm about to go ahead and pretty much gel down my edges, do some with my edges. But to be honest, like, I would wear this. I would wear my hair just like this. I sure would. I would slick down my edges and stuff like that. This could be a look. To be honest, I'll do a photo shoot like this, but I just wanted to come back and show you guys that the hair is still a little bit damp, so I'll probably run the blow dryer through it again once I'm done. But for the most part, this is what it's looking like. These are crochets that you see sticking out. Obviously, crochets are meant to be seen, but I'm trying to minimize the crochet look a little bit. So yeah, hopefully these come out as wavy as I want them to, and I'll come back to you guys when I take them down. So I'm really happy at the turnout. Next time I'm probably gonna sleep in these braids, but this is what it looks like so far. Cute little Spanish wave. I really like that. Cute little wave there. And then I just had to like tuck some hair that I had left out in the front. But this is really cute. I really like it. It's really long. This is crochets, okay y'all? Crocheted hair. And I think I did a good job. This is the first time I ever crocheted some hair before. Let me focus this. First time I ever crocheted anything, and I think I did a good job, you guys. This is straight crochet hair that I braided, and straight crochet hair that I braided and did the water method with. I wanted to get all of this wavy, but unfortunately I couldn't dip all that in the pot. I was not trying to burn my scalp, girl. So this is what it ended up looking like, and I'm really happy at the turnout. So I'm about to go outside to take some pics, and I'll see you guys when I'm done.